Variable speed control. 10 variable speeds allow you to refine every texture with culinary precision, from the smoothest purées to the heartiest soups. Pulse feature. Layer coarse chops over smooth purées for heartier recipes, such as chunky salsas or thick vegetable soups. Low-profile 64-ounce container, perfect for family meals and entertaining, while fitting comfortably under most kitchen cabinets. Hardened stainless steel blades. Our aircraft-grade stainless steel blades are designed to handle the toughest ingredients, so from the first blend to the last, you get the same quality results. Self-cleaning. With a drop of dish soap and warm water, your Vitamix machine can clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds. What's in the box? Motor base, low-profile 64-ounce container, low-profile tamper, cookbook. The container and lid are dishwasher safe and made of BPA-free Eastman Tritan. 3-year full. Included components: container, lid, tamper, motor base, owner's manual, introduction booklet. Top reviews from the United States. I am a Vitamix believer now. In all my life I never thought I would be writing a review for a blender. But after having this Vitamix for several weeks, using it about every day, I wanted to share my opinions for anyone in a similar situation. First off, I will say that my wife and I make smoothies for our breakfast Monday through Friday. So our blenders get a workout. Our first blender was a standard Black & Decker. We quickly wore it out. We replaced it with an upgrade to the basic Ninja blender. And we were happy with it for 5 years, mostly. We knew about Vitamix, but figured it would be a case of diminishing returns. How much more blender could you get? $100 for the Ninja seems like enough money. But after wearing it out with 5 years of consistent use, it was literally smoking when my wife made a smoothie one morning. We decided it might be worth it to spend a little more money. And that's where we are. I will be comparing this Vitamix to the base Ninja. I noticed a lot of people were in my situation when I was researching brands, so I thought this might help. Scroll to the bottom for a TL/Doctor.